What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a review of the Zoho People platform and its features. Zoho People is a great platform that can help you organize your teams and manage your employees and so much more. And first of all, you need to go to the website, that's zoho.com/people, and you will land on this page right here. In this page, you will get like a quick overview of the features and the benefits of the platform, including like a HR simulation if you are like a human resources guy in your company, optimizing times and attendance, and setting timers for different tasks in your company, and assess the performance and so on. So here are some of the key features of the platform, and here you can access the Zoho People 30 days free trial. So let's go ahead and access Zoho People, and here let's take the 30 days free trial, and now it's creating
Zoho People is a comprehensive cloud-based HRMS that provides.
okay, it automatically played like an introduction video. So and now it loads up the page, the main page, my main dashboard. Okay, now my main dashboard is loaded up. At first, when I clicked on access Zoho People, it gave me like a few questions regarding my business name, business type, phone number, and so on. So I filled out all these details, and now I'm on my main dashboard. So okay, now here is my dashboard. So here you have services, home, self-service, leave tracker, and time track. So let's view the services here. Let's click on it, and you have many tools that you can use, like a leave tracker, so you can track when your employees leave, and a time tracker that you can use to track times for different tasks and like jobs. So let's view the time tracker here. You can view it in a list view or in a calendar view, and here is the timer that you can start. So here you have the list view and you have the calendar view here. So let's go back to list view. You can select the project to work on, and if you do not have any projects set up, since I already now I created my account, so let's add a project, a sample project to try it on. So the project name is a test project. Okay, submit, and select the job. So here you can select job, however I don't have any, so I'll add a job right now. So let's name it a test job. Okay, and submit. What are you working on? So you can enter a description. Here you can select if the job or the task is billable or not billable, so let's keep it billable. And you can click here to start the timer for the task. It will ask you if you allowed to know your location, so I don't want it to like right now. So, and here the timer is started, the test job, it's billable, and now the timer is counting. And you can click here on the plus icon. Okay, no, nothing happened. So that's the timer. You can edit the task and you can delete it. So let's pause the timer for now to stop it. Okay, so for now, let's delete the timer. Okay, confirm. Okay, it's not running since I already tried to stop it. However, the page might not be loading. However, so let's view here the timesheets, my timesheets and my approvals. Okay, no requests submitted, and you can here create a new timesheet if we click here to create one. Okay, for this week, employee and clients and so on. So you can fill it up if you want to. And as you can see, the timer is still running at the bottom here. However, we already stopped it. So let's stop it. Okay. Okay, it has stopped. We can resume playing it, view it, or remove it. So let's remove it here. Now, my approvals, the approvals that I gave to my employees, there aren't any for now. Now, the projects and the jobs, here is the job schedule for the projects. And here is like a sample data generated with like virtual team members that you can edit the tasks for each of them depending on the weekday here. Okay, now let's go back to services. You have many other services like announcements, cases, employee engagement, HR letters, onboarding, and so on. And you can here click to create a new service. So you can name the service and description and then save it. So let's view the attendance. You can here view in it in a list view or a tabular view. So that's the list view for the attendance for my employees here. Okay, and the days, the payable days, the present day, on duty, paid leave, holiday, weekend, absent, and unpaid leave. You can view them here for each employee. Okay, that's me. Let's choose this one, for example. You can view here the info, their info. Okay, in a tabular view, you can view the same information. Okay, and in a calendar view, and you can here click to view the shift schedule for the job, the shifts, the employee shift mapping, the shift calendar, break and shift rotation, and you can view some settings here. So like the permissions, you can view the permission, user ID mapping, absence schedule, approval settings, and so on. So you have here all these different settings. Now, if you go to home, you can view your main dashboard. So like birthdays, you can view the employee's birthday, new hires, the newly hired employees, the favorite employees with their info and phone number and number of calls, the attendance, the requests for approval, the quick links and announcements, and so on. So upcoming holidays, leave report, and so on. So we have many statistics here that you can view to help organize your business. And in the feeds here, you have news feed here with all the new events and upcoming events and tasks. And the self-service is where you can view your own settings and your own permissions. So I'm the management here and direct reports to these people. You can view the team, you can view the calendar, you can view your own leave tracker and your own time tracker as the manager or CEO here of the company that you created. The attendance, you can view your files, your delegations, goals, cases, and so on. So here you can view all this in the self-service tab. If we view the leave tracker, we already viewed it in the services. Okay, and here you can view the reports. So if you click on reports here, you can view the employee information, you can view the leave tracker info, you can view the attendance. You have all these options and statistics to view and choose from. And if we click here, we can maximize these tabs here. However, it doesn't load for some reason. Now, if we click on more, we can view here other services like time tracker, performance, file, organizations, travel, tasks. So let's view, for example, the tasks. Of course, we haven't created any tasks. We can click here to add a task and we can filter them if you want to. Now you can enter the task details, the owner, task name, description, start date, end date, and priority, and we can set a reminder and the status and submit and add new or cancel. So that was a quick overview of the Zoho People platform and its features.